Hey guys, here's another video. So I was letting my tools soak. The water hasn't changed really, but the tools have, which is good. I'm gonna go check on how the Bravos are doing. I haven't looked at them yet. Looks like they got the area I wanted them to. Now I just gotta find them. Oh, found one. Oh, I found two. You're not supposed to be on carpet. I'm gonna restart you if you go on carpet, Bravos. All the way from the beginning. Oh, okay. What did I do? It's 68 in here. It's warming up rapidly. What? These guys are bullying Kazumi. He literally had to wake up from his nap. That was just one. By the way, guys, Zumi sucks at going home. He literally won't even dock the first 3 tries. It's so dumb. Oh, looks like Yuffie finally wants to go home, which is finally good news, because he's been destroying docks. No, buddy. Not funny. Get back. Okay, Yuffie's finally going home. I'm gonna empty his dustbin. One sec, guys. Let me pause the video. Just from today, he got all this dirt. Up here is messy. Wow. Oh, well, yeah, that's one way you could throw away the dirt. Just throw away the dustbin. Right? Am I right? Did any of the dirt even go? Yeah, some of it did. Zooey, are you still trying to get on your dock for the 5th time? He's taking a while to get on the dock. I like how he vacuums in the way in. But I really do have to balance him because his turning is making him. There we go. He's done crying or whatever he's doing. Wait, I think I heard one on the carpet. Somebody's getting reset. Oh wait, never mind. He's fine. He's chilling. He's not chilling. He is in dumb navigation mode. We gotta put him in smart navigation mode. Why I'm making him clean right here is because so mud tracks on this area. And then I make kids or whoever comes up take their shoes off down on the floor. They run up here. And then they're fine. They have no messes to really make that are big. So, yeah. We got a lot of space. Wow. Yeah, that's the max line, which is pretty cool. There's only 2 Roombas running, one out in my bedroom, one out here, one's in the bathroom actually. That's really cool. So I don't know really if I should, oh wait, I know something. I know something I could do. Throw all these planes away because they keep falling over. Yeah, and then throwing everything on the floor. So I threw them on the floor. Little Jet, are you happy now that they're on the floor and they deserve what they've been doing to you? Yeah? Not surprising. What if I put it nose down from now on? I think that would be a little better if I put it nose down. That would actually be so much better, I think, if I put him nose down. That would mean less sliding also if they have rubber noses. This guy's going on his tilt because he's not behaving. we go. That looks good. I think this one might fall over, so I'm going to put this one. There you go. That's perfect. Sure, I might give away one to Adam because I feel bad for him. Might give this one away to him because he had throwaways his because it was super cold one day and he threw it and it basically exploded. So I really don't know about what to do. So guys, I'm thinking we could do when the Roombas are running, I got an idea what we could clean right now. Ooh, there's some hair. Throw that away. Right now while the tools are cleaning, we can't clean with the tools. I thought maybe, just maybe, we could clean the one and only place. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to clean anymore, brother. So I don't know what to clean right now. How's the Bravas doing? One's right there. Where's the other one? See one. Where's two? Oh, there's two right here. They're both right here. One sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. Guess what? The Bravas are literally spies. I'm just kidding. How do I know that? Because I just made it up. So I don't know that. Oh, I'm so smart. I know I'm not. No, I'm not. I might be smart for some of you guys, but I'm not really for me. Oh yeah, you guys are all bullies to me, so I am not smart to you anyways. We got some floaties in the water right now. Wow, that looks so much better. It's getting cleaner by the moment. The water's still warm. I'm just waiting until one more Roomba goes home. Hopefully the 880 goes home soon because I really need to do a break. And, ooh, there's some cool carpet cleaning right now, brother. Yeah, I really want a battery-powered thing, but it never came up to the point that I'm like, that's way too expensive. Why just not get the things you push around and then the wheels make a roller spin and stuff? So then I'm just driving around, and picking up all this loose dirt or hair or any rice after a test. And I'm just going, instead of having to go and hurt my finger forever with a Dyson. But I'm still getting a Dyson. It's gonna be nice. Barney's a dinosaur. Barney is his name. What are you doing? I'm just spewing through my name. Oh, my name is Barney the dinosaur. Balalina Pupuccina. Sucks because brain rot does not exist anymore. Because it's 2026. 2026. What is that? Bro, I just noticed this little deep hurt is not because I've been sponging it super hard. It's stuff that's wore off. See how skinny it is? It's so skinny because it all wore off. I really need a new sponge. Soon I'll just throw this whole sponge away. Right now I'm using it as I can. I'm using I don't even know how I got this sponge. I just found it one day. I know a sponge sorry it's super loud. It just went on hard floor. But how's the Bravas doing while we're down here? Ooh, good. Oh, Brava, get off. Get you, fat Brava. Get. There we go. Look at the cool Roomba, Roomba, Roomba. Roomba, 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 Doomba. This is Roomba Doomba, guys. Look at him. Do you guys want to be flash banged? Ready? Look at that yellow thing. It's not working. Ah! Nope. That broke my camera. Does this look cool? Wait, one sec. Formation. My formation's gonna die. That looks cool, right? Yeah, I think that looks cool. Brava. No. You're not a shampooer, you're a mopper. Okay, back to the new Roomba. Look at it. Look at the camera goes extension mode when the bumper goes in, so you really get that view of the Roomba. Ready? We're gonna shut it nice and slowly. What is that? Oh, it's like a little hinge. That's cool. Well, this is the Roomba. This is its mop pad. It puts it down. Everybody was super confused why the mop was on top of the robot. Yeah, but it comes down. And then it comes through these 3 nozzles. 1, 2, 3. Wait, there's water right here? I did not notice that. Here's where the dirt comes out. Automatic dirt disposal. Here is the Aeroforce cleaning system. Really like their Aeroforce cleaning system. It's even on their newest Roomba. But I really think they should have kept this grip. But they have made their tires like that now. But they have better side brushes. Looks better at least. Other than these black ones. Soon the whole world will just be like perfect. All the Roombas would just be perfect. I think this is a side sensor to make sure it's like on the sides when it's supposed to. And that's a floor sensor to make sure the suction goes up. Yeah, but yeah, this is a side sensor. And there's another one on the other side, but this looks super cool. So that's its thing. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. So, this is how it works, I think, at least. These things, when these things are both activated, I think this is always, like, activated. But when the Roomba docks up, it's going to go up, 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 and then activate this lever, and it shoots up the charging contacts. And the second it comes off, it lowers. So when it backs up, when these 2 are activated, that little nozzle right here, it's like, oh, I should start shooting water out now. But guess what? The Roomba senses this QR code and makes sure it's docked, so it's not self-emptying into it like its brother's dock or something. Which I really like because I have Zoomy, and when he's out and he senses the nearest dock, he goes to it. Or if I'm running my 880 and Zoomy at the same time, 880 goes to Zoomy's dock. So now that G9s really just go to their own dock, I like that. But I don't know how they sense it until they're like on the dock. Like the second they're charging, I think I would just power down. So I don't know how the camera helps it, but I guess it does. I got 2 Roombas still up here. We're gonna do a separate video cleaning downstairs, but that really never happens. Got some more toys to throw away low, so that means more room in this house. Well, upstairs at least. Got this whole area. Let's check on my tools. Let's check on my cleaning tools. How about that? Check on my cleaning tools. Yeah, I think everything's good. I'm not gonna post any more videos tonight, so have a good night. or morning or evening, whatever you're watching this. And I'll see you in the next video or short.